Warning! Bitag Live Morning caters to mature audiences. Topics discussed are particularly on hot, timely, current issues purposely intended for Filipino viewers and listeners worldwide. Discussions may contain language that may not be appropriate for some sensitive audiences. If you do not approve of the content listed above, please do not watch our videos. If you wish to continue, we strongly advise that you proceed with caution. Viewer maturity is advised.
Ibig bang sabihin dahil tinanggal ka sa pagiging VP mo, all of a sudden nagkaroon ka ng conspiracy theory na ito'y kabahagi sa sinasabing plot at scenario na talagang tinatanggal ka dahil ilalagay na si Bongbong Marcos. Give me a break! And then you're saying na ikaw ang nanalo and then this and this and this. There's a, a plot to oust you, bantayan ang yung posisyon na Vice President. What about, paano kung ang Korte Suprema nagsabi, okay, install Bongbong. Just, for the sake of an argument, hindi ikaw nanalo, naglabas, nagbilangan, nanalo pala si Bongbong, patay kang bata ka. Now you're so in disorder because hindi mo matanggap. May protest, paano pag ganun ang lumabas? Ikinondisyon mo mga utak ng tao. Yung isa naman, katunggali mo si Bongbong Marcos, naniwala na that position was snatched from him. Pareho kayo nagbabangayan. You're causing division, and that's it. Siguro sabi, that's the last straw. All right, and you're right. So understand the meaning of a gift. Dalawang bagay lang. Be like Buddha says, if I give you a gift, and you accept the gift, to whom the gift now belongs? To the person who received it. Let's put it this way. If I give you a gift and you refuse to take the gift, to whom the gift now belongs? To the giver. Hindi naman ganun eh. You were asking for the gift which I call the grace undeserving, ibinigay sa iyo, pinagkaloob sa iyo, hindi mo pinangalagaan. Bagkos, sinayang mo eh. Sinarapan ka sa kyaw-kyaw. Kasi nagpapakita na ikay bubut pa. Sa iyong kabubutan, at bitang may kanta nga, sa iyong kabubutan, ano ngayon? Ngayon, naramdaman mo na. Pag nawala na sa iyo, that's only when you see yung kahalagahan ng bagay na wala na sa iyo, kaya ikaw, sour loser.